myself Smt H, Asha, Associate Professor, ADB First Grade College, Harpanahandi. Today, I will demonstrate the experiment Astable Multi vibrator using IC 555. The circuit diagram is as in the figure. Okay, so I'll start my connections from 1. 1 should be grounded. Just I'll show you. 1 is grounded here, and from 2 it goes to pin number 6. From the same 2 you should connect it to RB, which is 10 kilo ohms. Okay, then another end of RB is connected to pin number 7. From the same RB another end 1 kilo ohm, which is nothing but a RA, which is in turn connected to plus VCC. Pin number 4 is given to pin number 8, and from pin number 8 it is given to plus VCC. From pin number 5 the capacitor 0.1 microfarad should be connected. Another end of the capacitor should be grounded here, and pin number 3, across the pin number 3 we have to find out a output. Okay, so in this experiment we are going to measure the frequency response of the Astable multi vibrator. So the output we are measuring at the pin 3, and of course the negative of the CRO should be given to ground, and plus VCC, that is plus 5 volts, is given to pin number, that is 8 here, and resistance RA is coming to that point we are giving, and minus VCC should be grounded, and this ground also we are giving to ground here. And the pin, I forgot to explain you the capacitor position here. From 2 it is going to pin number 2, it is going to capacitor. The another end of the capacitor should be given to ground, and this capacitor is a variable capacitor. We are going to take readings for different values of capacitor. To begin with, I have kept it for 0.01 microfarad. Now CRO connections, CRO, switch on the CRO, and the time base I have adjusted for 0.1 milliseconds, and the voltage I have kept it for 2 volts. We'll get a, after releasing a ground, we'll get a waveform. Okay, now we have to measure a peak to peak voltage. This you take it as a reference. From this peak to this peak we have to measure the voltage. It is coming around 1.6 here. See, this one block is 1 and 3 small lines are there, 1.6, and now we will tabulate the reading in the tabular column. Okay, so for 0.01 microfarad we are getting it as 1.6 horizontal peak to peak length. Time base I have kept it for 0.1 milliseconds. So milliseconds means you write it as 10 raised to minus 3 seconds here, and the time period can be calculating by multiplying these two. This we will get it as 0.16 milliseconds. Now you calculate a frequency using the formula reciprocal of a time period. We will get this value as 6.25 kilohertz. We will get it as 6.25 kilohertz. Theoretically, we have to calculate the frequency of the waveform using the formula 1.44 divided by RA plus twice of RB into C1. RA is 1 kilo ohm, RB is 10 kilo ohms, and C1 is 0.01 microfarad. Substitute all the values in this one. We will get this value as 6.86 kilohertz. So these two must be comparable. Repeat the experiment for different set of capacitors 0.02, 03, 04, and tabulate the readings. Every time you compare the experimental value of frequency with the theoretical value of the frequency. Then write down the result, that is frequency response of the Astable multi vibrator is studied. Thank you.